Hey guys, this is your passion. Welcome everyone. And how's everyone in there? Dahil lang ko sa Tigbauan. Preparing for lunch. I will eat outside in the Carinderia. So this is the town of Tigbauan. As you can see, it's a very peaceful place here in the first district of Iloilo, Philippines. I'm just walking here, going to Carinderia. This place is very nice. You can visit Tigbauan as well. This is also a historical place. I'm afraid of it. I don't have anti-rabies. I mean, anti-rabies is a little bit expensive. Just trying to create video every day. So wherever I go, personal vlog, something like that. So this is a peaceful place, and there's also a lot of tourist attraction here. If you wish to visit this place, the church is very historical. The plaza, there's a lot of beaches here. So thanks for watching. Tigbauan, first district of Iloilo. That's the hotel. Hindi ka ba katulog? Sleep there. There's a Timberland. You want to buy drinks, wine, etc.